There's a couple of ways to get things to wiggle. One is to have a fixed control surface that the lure has to move around, wide wiggle, tight wiggle. The other is a variable control surface. What am I talking about? Here's I remember this thing came out back in the 70s. It was called a Mr. Twister. It has a variable control surface. We've got a goofy looking kind of a J-shaped tail, water hits it, and it starts flopping around. The control surface changes. There's another aspect I'm going to share with you that I'm just messing with. It's kind of cool. Coming back to the old lure called the Suic. If I bend this tail the way that Suic had it bent, slightly down here, give it a pull, go off to the side. I could bend it down real sharply, and when I work it slow, it'd be just wackier than crazy, but at high speeds it would roll out. Conversely, I could make it really straight and work it super aggressively to get motion out of it, but with a soft movement it wouldn't do anything. So one of the things I'm kind of messing with, I've got a material here that's a flexible rubber. It's similar to the tail that we make on a whopper plopper. And I'm designing a bait here. This is just totally super lightweight to begin with, and I'm going to have to put lead in it. But what my concept is here is this tail has a certain amount of flex to it. So as I pull it really hard, this is going to give a bit. So theoretically, at a slow speed, I should be able to get it to move around really well. And if I get the stiffness right, as I accelerate it, it'll straighten out and avoid the kicking out process. Plus it'll store a little energy, so when I stop it, it'll probably go backwards. But anyway, that's just one idea of a variable control surface that you